Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Outback headlight. Having properly functioning headlights is crucial for safe driving, especially at night or in adverse weather. Before we begin, make sure you have a new H7 headlight bulb, a trim removal tool, and some protective gloves. It's often a good idea to replace both bulbs at once, as they tend to have similar lifespans, ensuring balanced illumination. Now let's get to the bulb. First, turn your front wheel all the way inward to give yourself maximum room to work. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pop out the plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. There are typically about 4 to 6 clips. Once these are removed, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly. This area can be a bit tight, so take your time. With access gained, locate the round plastic cover on the back of the headlight assembly. Rotate this cover counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn and pull it off. Inside, you'll see the bulb secured by a small spring clip. Press and unhook this clip, then disconnect the electrical connector. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new H7 bulb, handle it only by its base to avoid touching the glass, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in place, reattach the spring clip to hold it securely, then plug in the electrical connector. Replace the round headlight cover, turning it clockwise until it locks firmly. Now, carefully push the fender liner back into position and reinsert all the plastic clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.